So what is reverse stamping? Reverse stamping is a nail stamping technique that allows the artist to enhance stamp designs by coloring them in inverse or backwards. But in order to color in the designs, you need a detailed brush. So our Maniology site, we offer so many brushes, but the commonality with all of these brushes is that they have a very tapered, pointy end that really helps to get into the little designs. So why do I need to learn it? Well, you don't, but reverse stamping, it just helps to enhance the stamp design. Here's just some examples of some really old designs that I've done. I would say this is definitely something more on the difficult end, but look at how vivid and more realistic the designs can really look. So who can do this? I think oftentimes we say reverse stamping is an advanced nail art technique, but it definitely doesn't have to be. And if you're looking to add a more like vivid, realistic or colorful experience to enhance your nail stamping, then this could be for you.